Next comes in your Maxwell-Boltzmann curve with respect to energy activation. Now, Maxwell-Boltzmann curve is basically dealing with the number of particles against energy. All the number of particles taking part in a reaction are here provided as the area under the curve. Right? I have mentioned it all off here. Please understand that the area of the curve should always stay constant. Right? This is telling me that energy of activation is a little high. Let's say 1000 approximately kilojoules. Let's say, by the way, the particle content remains the same, does not change. This is the assumption. No particle enters or leaves the system. It is completely the same, right? So let's just say I am adding a catalyst. A catalyst will lower the energy of activation. If initially it was 1000, let's say it brings down to 600 kilojoules. Moving forward, please try to understand the next thing I'm saying. Let's say my energy of activation was the same value. Let's say I am increasing the temperature. If I am increasing the temperature, don't you think a large number of particles will now have a greater temperature? The curve shifts towards the right and the peak will decrease a bit because this entire area has to coincide with what was initially there. So it moves to the right and thereby decreases the peak so as to keep the area under the curve constant. Now we can work off that a large number of particles after increasing the temperature will have the energy greater than the energy of activation. I am simply stating one thing. If I increase the temperature, right, a large number of particles will now have a greater energy, which means a large number of particles will have the energy greater than the energy of activation. Now you need to understand one thing, that initially the number of particles which had energy greater than the energy of activation was very few, very less. But when the temperature was increased, this quantity increased, right? So don't you think the curve has to shift to the right in order to satisfy this statement that I just said?
Yes, sir.
Next thing you need to understand is that if I am shifting the curve towards the right, I am increasing its area. So therefore, I decrease the peak, initial peak value. I will increase that to compensate the effect of the area. Since it is a sketch, this is a rough approximate. Let's say I have a curve. This is the energy of activation. If I am decreasing the temperature, now a large number of particles will have energy of activation lesser than the energy of activation, right? Somewhat the area reduces, and when the area reduces of the blue curve, it has to have a greater peak so as to compensate the effect of the decrease in area.